What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to That Sounds Terrible. Today's episode of Sound Check, we're going to take a look at two amazing pedals. One is going to be the Parks custom pedal Dagon and the This Heavy Earth Grim3. Now, both of these pedals are absolutely incredible. So by all means, please check out the builders, Park over at Parks Custom Pedals and Shay over at This Heavy Earth. They do amazing work. They got some great builds out there. So I just kind of wanted to showcase both of these today. And I think I'm going to use my Republic X amp, mostly because I had to change out my power tubes. 5881s. They've been in there quite a while. And it was just time, to kind of put some new power tubes in. I ended up going with a set. I actually found them in a drawer here at the house, but they're the Mesa 6L6 GCs, the STR 440. So whatever brand, I don't know what brand it is, probably Ruby. They didn't look like Sovtex, but or they're definitely not tongue sole. But anyways, so we got those put in, got it biased, and we're just gonna kind of mess around. And I wanted to see and show how well these two pedals do. I got them dialed in kind of where I like them, so I'm not really gonna kind of tweak the knobs any. I got some other videos out there on them, especially on the Grim3. It's an incredible pedal, and I did a whole series kind of comparing it to the other previous versions. So check that out about that pedal. But anyway, so we're just gonna go ahead and mess around, kind of compare them back to back to see how well they do to each other. So, all right, here we go. All right, man. So that is the Parks Custom Pedals, the Dagon OD, and this Heavy Earth, the Grim3. Both of those pedals, again, they're simply amazing. It's kind of hard to say which one of the two would be my go-to favorite. We all know I'm kind of partial towards the Grim3, based on my last series I did. Absolutely killer pedal. Shay knocked it out of the friggin' park. But these two pedals are absolutely wonderful, and you can kind of hear the differences, at least I can in the room. Hopefully the ISO cab is capturing that. I hope you guys will tell me in the comments, you know, how much of a difference you can hear. Definitely with the Grim3 on, the amp is a lot tighter. You know, the fact that it's got the tight knob on there and you can really dial that in really helps it out. However, the mid content that comes out of the Dagon is incredible. It is based on a Klon, so that's probably where that's coming from. And I think the Grim3, if I remember correctly, is an ST9 based tube screamer variant, I should say. So, you know, it kind of changes up the tone a little bit, tightens it up. There's a different mid-hump frequency, whatever. I don't know. I'm not a nerd like that. It's funny because when I talk to Parks or Shay and we start talking pedals, man, they start dropping all these. Man, no, you're speaking Greek, dude. I put it on dummy terms, right? Turn knob, it go boom, that kind of thing. Anyways, today we used my 2023 Kramer Dave Mustaine Vanguard. Phenomenal guitar. It's coming along nicely. I've got 2 videos out so far. I'm going to do a 30-day checkup here soon. It's been about 2 weeks. So I'm still kind of breaking it in and getting past that honeymoon phase of, oh, I got a new guitar. So we'll check it out in a couple of weeks, and we'll do a 30-day checkup on it. But so far, overall, I'm impressed. Still have some quirks to it. Still kind of working in some fine-tuning and things like that. But tell me in the comments below what you guys thought overall, and I'll see you guys in the next one.